Everyone, welcome back to the channel. I'm popping on today with a VR for the lovely Siobhan, who is Pearl and Button here on YouTube. Siobhan is holding her first ever challenge giveaway. She has just reached over 400 subscribers, well she's way beyond that now. And she's asked us to send in a couple of things. Now, I've written down the measurements so that I remember. Siobhan has asked for 2 big or 2 small stick pins. Now, I've never made stick pins before, so I hope these are okay, Siobhan. But I'll get something that I can put behind them. I've got a piece of card here. So I made this one. I just put on, it's on this gorgeous leaf stick pin, and I've added some lavender beads and a lavender flower and a bead cap and a little seed bead. So these aren't as pretty as the ones that you've got, Siobhan, but as I say, I've never made them before. And then this one I made, again, with some beads, the leaf, I've added a bow and another little acrylic bead. So those are my 2 small stick pins. And then Siobhan asked for whether we could make her some tags, because she's got a huge lace collection and she wants to wrap her lace all the way around her tags and keep them in a box. So she asked for the tags to be 7 inches long and 3 inches wide, which these 2 are, or if you could make her a small bobbin shaped tag or a small dress forum shaped tag that would be 5 inches by 3 inches. But I've done these 2. So this is my first one. These are really thick. What I've done is put 4 pieces of 250 GSM card together, and I have vintaged them all on the back using the Tim Holtz Distress ink and some water, and I used the vintage urban paper pad, and I've just added this lady, and I've fussy cut out some cut aparts, the Paris and this. I added 1, 2, 3 different ribbons on the bottom, this pom-pom trim and some acrylic bead trim. And then on the top I've added 3 different colours of paper flowers. So I've got the cream one, the lavender one and the slightly darker lavender one. And then I used this beautiful ribbon with the gold and the chocolate browns on the top. So that is my first one. And then I've just put my wee Handmade by Sam on the back. So hopefully Siobhan, you'll like that one. And this one, I have made, it is, I don't know if you can see her, she's a vintage lady. She's got the shadow on her because of the flowers. And I fussy cut out some scissors and a wee bobbin, another wee bobbin. I used the doily. I used the doily on the other one as well. And I just vintaged it all again with the water and the distress ink and added the 3 different colours of flower. Again, I've got the different trims and the acrylic beads on the bottom. And I just distressed it on the back and put my Handmade by Sam sticker. So these are really thick. As I say, they're 1000 GSM thick. So that is my 2 tags for Siobhan's giveaway challenge. So I think they're really vintagey, they're really lovely. And then my 2 attempts at stick pins. They're not the best, Siobhan. If you don't want to give me points for these, honey, I will totally understand, because they're nothing fancy. They're just what I had here, and hopefully you'll like them. I think they turned out quite sweet. So I'm going to pop these in the front of the tags to keep them safe for sending, like so. So that is those there. So yes, so it is Pearl and Button. I will link Siobhan's details in the description box down below. Please pop over, show her some love, take part in our challenge if you can, and yeah, please pop over. Excuse me, my goodness. And tell Siobhan that I sent you. Thanks everyone, bye bye.